Why can't he love me back? I love him so much. Why can't he text me? Do you love yourself? तुम खुद को पसंद नहीं करोगे, कोई इंसान तुम्हें आगे पसंद नहीं करने वाला है. Hi, it's getting intimate. Just a regular Saturday night. I came back from a run. I made some rotis for us, and then we had dinner. And now I'm gonna sit to talk to my girlies to give them some life advice. Hi, welcome back to my channel. So let's just have a small talk, you know. I washed my hair today and I was really like procrastinating on making this video, although I had a really nice idea, like मैं ये बोलूँगी, मैं वो बोलूँगी, but I lagged a lot. I was like procrastinating and I finally sat down to do it because you know why? आज मैंने सर धोया है and surprisingly my hair looks good. I don't care if it doesn't look good to you. It looks good to me. Let me just like moisturize my face. This is petroleum jelly, by the way. So apparently it is like breakup season, but not like real breakup. It's like more like a situationship breakup season. I'm not going through all of that. My friends did. Like 3 of my friends, and whoever is watching, you know it's about you. All of these just went through a situationship breakup, and I know it is really, really painful. It hurts you a lot, but also like it evaporates your self-respect into the sky and you don't know what the fuck to do. Because I don't like to see girls hang over something which is so basic. And let me just get to the point. First of all, I don't use foundation, I use concealers. I use 2 concealers. One is Lakme, one is Insight. It's really nice, by the way. It just smells very whack. It smells very like alcohol-y, but like we love alcohol in this house, so no, I don't drink. Anyway, my friends went through a very bad situationship breakup, and it just happened to be in the same time, which is December-ish, like November, December-ish. So I was like, okay, y'all have something in common, which is your self-respect evaporating. You don't value yourself in the end, and the situationship breakup leaves you with so much pain that you forget your self-worth and how much you should value yourself. Not necessarily like your fault totally, but it low-key is, because what the fuck? I've been through this, and one thing is for sure, that women in love are neech, galich, gadhi, pagal, aurat. Girl. And it is not even funny. Like, I have been the said woman in love, and right now I'm in a very, very healthy relationship, touch wood. I've been in the said situationship, and one thing was common, that my insecurity was skyrocketing. I forgot what my worth is, I forgot what my value is. I was like a biggest people pleaser of all time, and just because I think that कि भाई मेरा ये childhood trauma था और ये सब था वो सब था, नहीं. Just because तुम्हारे पास एक चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमा है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तुम उसको अपनी पूरी पर्सनालिटी बना दोगे. If you had trauma, your responsibility is to yes, live with it, accept it कि yes मेरे में ये है, मुझे पता है कि ये चीज़ आगे दूसरी चीज़ों को भी हर्ट कर सकती है, मेरे सराउंडिंग के लोगों को भी हर्ट कर सकती है, मुझे खुद को हर्ट करती रहती है, तो I should work on it to get rid of it, instead of ruining all of my relationships with everyone. And although I'm like still working on it, like I have a lot of things that I have to work on, right? But I cannot use it as an excuse. Don't use a fucking trauma as an excuse. You are not a bitch, and if you're a bitch, you're not hot. You are using your trauma against everything that is happening, like in a negative way, and that is stupid. I forgot to like blend this color corrector, by the way. What a vulnerable angle. Where was I? क्या बोल रही थी मैं? हाँ, insecurity. And just because मेरे पास एक insecurity है, मुझे उसके ऊपर एक work करना है, मुझे उस पर work करना चाहिए. और you know, when you let someone, a stranger specifically, obviously like a stranger that you have never been close to, come inside your comfort zone, they get an access to your insecurities and all the vulnerable positions that you have been in your entire life, and you know what I'm talking about. You're nasty. Get an access to all of this, all of those vulnerable parts of you, mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. that when you give an access to these energies, like when you give an access to your energy with someone else, it can either make you or it can either break you. We want to make this, we want to work this out, right? So इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप हर एक चीज़ अपने बारे में बनाने लग जाओगे. Like, you know, sometimes people do that, like they make everything about themselves, like भाई एज इफ दुनिया भर के सारे परेशानियाँ उन्हीं को झेलनी पड़ रही है. लाइक मेरे पास उतने ही ख़राब इंस्टेंसेस हुए होंगे मेरी लाइफ में जितने मेरे पार्टनर के हो चुके हैं या फिर लाइक एक्स पार्टनर के हो चुके हैं, व्हाटएवर, ऑल ऑफ दैट. इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी ना कि भाई तेरी परेशानियों का बोझ मैं सर पे ले लूँगी, ये परेशानियों का बोझ वो सर पे ले लेगा. ऐसा नहीं होता है. नो वन इज़ ऑब्लिगेटेड टू, और लाइक नो वन इज़ गोना टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ यू नो हीलिंग यू. इट्स जस्ट दैट तुम एक राह पे चल रहे हो और एक इंसान तुम्हारे साथ आता है टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ, नॉट बिकम योर लाइफ. योर पार्टनर इज पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ, दे आर नॉट योर लाइफ. एंड दिस इज वॉट मेनी पीपल who are falling in love don't take in consideration. And this is where we always fuck up. When we make our partner our life, we forget that we have a life of our own. We are a person of our own. That is where we have to work on, my child. अगर आप अपनी लाइफ को एक कोई दूसरा इंसान बना दोगे, भाई वो तुम्हारी तो काटेगा ही, वो मजबूरन होकर तुम्हारी काटेगा. क्योंकि you know what happens is like बचपन में जब हम लोग to fuck up a lot and our parents would be like okay कट्टी नहीं बात करेंगे, they would punish us, and then in the moment we would be like कि भाई कितने गंदे पेरेंट्स हो तुम. बट आफ्टर दैट हम उनको जाके सॉरी बोलते थे विद अश्योरेंस कि भाई हमारे पेरेंट्स हमें माफ़ करेंगे. तो हम nonchalantly have been hurting our parents. Do you decode how this goes on? You nonchalantly take advantage of a person you love and unknowingly hurt them. This is what happens in these situationships, in these talking stages and a situationship. And by the way, a situationship shouldn't be lasting more than like 3 months. Like I'm not gonna shit on that either. Like a situationship, or like I would rather say a talking stage, is not supposed to cross 3 months. That's enough time for you to realize if this person is good for you or if it's not good for you. Because obviously like you just cannot jump to dating ki bhai oh my god yes, like we are boyfriend and girlfriend, like नहीं होता है. टॉकिंग स्टेज बहुत नेसेसरी होती है. शादी से पहले भी टॉकिंग स्टेज होती है. ओके अभी इन सबको नाम आ चुका है, but like yeah whatever, but like
Hey, it's okay.
This blush from Kia Cosmetics. Can you see like how cute it is? Like oh my god. तुम इस पर्सन को इम्प्रेस करने के लिए सारी की सारी हदें पार कर जाते हो. Because oh my god, you finally found a person you gotta match your freak with, and you suddenly forget कि भाई what about you? I look like a clown, and this is what people are been going through. They just clown themselves. So, and ये मत समझना कि भाई because I feel like I'm in a healthy relationship, I gotta say this. Once you start prioritizing yourself, and by prioritizing, I'm not saying just be blatantly selfish like a bitch. No, I'm not asking you to do that. I'm the fuck, girl. Okay, so what was I saying? I'm not asking you to put like blatantly selfish like a narcissist whore. No. I'm asking you to put yourself first when it comes to your dislikes. Like create a fucking boundary कि भाई मुझे ये चीज़ें पसंद है, तुम ऐसे चीज़ें करोगे ना मेरे साथ तो मुझे अच्छा लगेगा. एंड इस हिसाब से वो इंसान को समझ में आए कि ठीक है भाई, they would want to respect your boundaries because they like you. They wouldn't want to take a benefit out of it. And like again, if they're trying to cross these boundaries in a set period of time, because like obviously like sometimes for people like to open up it takes time, right? So if you just create a boundary कि भाई मैं थोड़ा easily जल्दी open up नहीं हो पाऊंगी, please like let me breathe. And समझेगा, right? Even if you have a talking stage with someone, it's not supposed to be कि भाई ये इंसान को ही मुझे डेट करना है. ये तुम थप्पा नहीं लगा सकते हो ऑन द स्पॉट. ये तुम थप्पा नहीं लगा सकते हो विद इन अ वीक. यू नीड टू टेस्ट ईच अदर आउट. एक म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है. जब आप किसी से बात कर रहे हो तुम्हें उनको बताना पड़ेगा कि तुम्हें क्या पसंद है. Bless me. Blessed. Dig deep into it on sharing each other's likes and dislikes and keep letting them know that once you fuck up, you are going to have your testicles cut out. Not going to shit on anyone here, but like मैं तुम्हें मेरे values और morals बताने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ because like it comes with from a spiritual perspective. ठीक है, I am a person who believes that anyone, men or women, having a higher body count will resist your tendencies to find the love of your life, because when you are sharing an intimate movement with each other, the intimate movement I'm talking about is, you know what I'm talking about, right? Not just kissy, but we're talking about some big bam booms. You share a very vulnerable spot of your life, of yourself, physically and emotionally. You say that there are no strings attached, but my child, there are strings attached. You are sharing your most vulnerable part of yourself with someone in the name of not wanting to have feelings involved. And that is stupid, because तुम जब बार बार ये सब चीज़ें करने लग जाओगे ना, तो तुम्हें रियलाइज होगा कि भाई ये सब तो कर लिया, बट मुझे ना, मैं चाहती हूँ कि इस सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे प्यार भी मिले. वो तुम्हारी एक्सपेक्टेशंस वहाँ से ज़्यादा हो जाएगी. और फ्रॉम अ फिजिकल इंटीमेसी पर्सपेक्टिव तुम्हारी एक्सपेक्टेशंस लो हो जाएगी, बिकॉज इट इज गेटिंग यूज्ड टू इट. इट इज गेटिंग यूज्ड टू शेयरिंग योर एनर्जी विद सो मेनी पीपल, एंड दैट इज नॉट फकिंग क्यूट. You are going to fuck up your emotional space in general. जिन लोगों की ज़्यादा like who the ones who like sleep around a lot, who like fuck around a lot just because it's cute, like it's because spicy, उनका प्यार से भरोसा उठ जाता है, and वो हमें नहीं चाहिए. And that is the reason why you're watching this video in the first place, my child. And if you're like being a little cute little whore, don't just stop it. Just don't have to fucking inhale every dick that comes in your way. पर मेरे जब हमारे बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स बन जाते थे ना, एक फ्रेंड होता था और एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड होता था और एक सुपर बेस्ट फ्रेंड होता था, और वट एवर दैट स्पेक्ट्रम वॉज. वी यूज टू थिंक दैट ये जो फ्रेंड्स हैं, हम उनको अपनी सीक्रेट चीज़ें नहीं बताएंगे, बट जो हमारे बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं उनके साथ हम हमारी बारबी शेयर करेंगे, उनके साथ हमारा डब्बा शेयर करेंगे, एंड व्हाट नॉट. दिस इज व्हाट कम्स इन अडल्ट रिलेशनशिप्स, एंड बाय रिलेशनशिप आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट finding a partner and like a talking stage and all of that. Like, I'm not gonna explain myself. You know what I'm talking about. Why are you not treating your body like that? If you're having all that chill, preserve that energy. Preserve that energy, please. This exchange of so many energies in your realm will affect you mentally a lot. When you have high sexual desire, you have to use it in other way. Just because you're feeling like, oh my god, mujhe ye karna, like, you know, I want to just do some spicy shit with like some people, it's just what you think it is. Like, तुम उसको वर्कआउट में कन्वर्ट करो, तुम उसको कोई ऐसी प्रोडक्टिविटी में यूटिलाइज करो, बिकॉज इट्स गोना लीड टू समथिंग वे बेटर. You will see a vast difference. A person will never have a power over you in a way that will resist you into doing something which you don't want to, or not doing something which you want to. I hope that makes sense. I just hope you're not stupid. So, जब मैंने मेरी फ्रेंड से पूछा था कि भाई क्या हुआ, like they gave me all of that tea, I realized कि yes, the dude was also in the fault, but my friends were not a saint either. You as a person are like giving all of your time, your valuable energy to this someone, and like waiting for hours for the text. Girl, उसको करना होगा ना, वो करेगा. उसको अगर करना होगा वो करेगा. And these things should not bother you. And you know why it bothers you? Because तुम उस इंसान को अपनी पूरी लाइफ रेगुलेट करने के लिए दे रहे हो. You are letting that person consume all of your energy just because you want to. You want that person so bad. You are so desperate कि उसके पीछे इतना पड़ गए हो. Like obviously you're not like showing it, but mentally तुम इस इंसान के इतना पीछे पड़ गए हो कि वो तुम्हारी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करेगा. तुम्हें तुम्हारी बाउंड्री क्रिएट करनी पड़ेगी for people to respect you. They cannot speak to you in a certain way. They cannot do certain things just because you don't like it. And that is valid. It goes both ways. तुम एक चीज़ उससे सीखते हो. अगर ये करंट सिचुएशनशिप तुम्हारा काम नहीं किया, तुम्हें कोई ना कोई सीख तो ज़रूर मिली होगी. यू हैव टू वैल्यू योर सेल्फ. Value yourself enough कि भाई even if a person is like trying to hurt me, you won't get hurt because your value is way above than a person who values you. Then is a random stranger. कोई भी तुम्हें क्यों वैल्यू करेगा भाई? आइडियल वर्ड नहीं है ये, ठीक है? एंड if your situationship or like your talking stage or whatever is like not staying in their lane and like not respecting your partner, then bitch, what the fuck are you waiting for? Why are you not showing the exit door? I'm waiting कि वो करेगा. I'm trying to fix him. No! Who the fuck are you? खुद को fix किया क्या तूने पहले? I'm doing a ping. Oh, it looks so bad here. It looks way better here. Why would you date someone when you are not healed yet? I want to know. Like, bhai, stay single for a while. It is therapeutic. It is therapeutic for a reason. भगवान तुम्हें खुद बोल रहा है कि भाई तेरा कट जाएगा अगर तू अभी जाएगी रिलेशनशिप में, तो बाद में जा रिलेशनशिप में. पहले खुद को देख, खुद की शक्ल देख तू. और talking stage not replying to you on time is a thing that you should worry about, yes, but these things won't affect your daily life. The only way that you have to get out of it is to value yourself, is to love yourself enough that you think that you are capable of love that you give to yourself, and that one person who's going to give you the love more than you give yourself. Like, तुम्हारा स्टैंडर्ड इतना ज़्यादा हाई होना चाहिए तुम्हारे खुद के लिए. वो रिप्लाई नहीं कर रहे, ओके, fuck him. Like, not literally, but like, okay, like, my future husband is not going to do that to me, by the way. Like, I deserve a man who cries if I don't talk to him. Just an exaggerated example, but you get the vibe. You get where I'm coming from, right? You get where I'm coming from. Do you look at yourself and be like, oh my god, I would date me? Not because like you look hot. Like, of course you do. You're watching this video. Of course you're hot. But personality wise, emotionally, physically, mentally, क्या तुम खुद को देख कर ये बोलोगे कि yes, I would date me. I am my ideal type. If it's a yes, then that's a great thing. If it's a no, girl, work on yourself. You are much more than what you think, okay? इसलिए तुम्हें तुम्हारी हकीकत बतानी पड़ेगी. तुम्हें खुद को ये बताना पड़ेगा कि मैं ये सब चीज़ें डिज़र्व नहीं करती हूँ. I don't deserve late replies. I don't deserve no effort. I deserve a real person who loves me for who I am, not because like I am just a great pair of tits. No, that's not how it works, okay? Did I just put a lash? Not perfect, but like दूर से ठीक लग रहा है. One of the biggest turn off is desperate energy. जितना हम एक दूसरे को बोलते हैं कि भाई no, he's a man, I don't give a fuck. You do give a fuck when it comes to that one man. But that man doesn't give a fuck about you. He doesn't have any fucks left in his pocket. Like a fuck, no, not found. So how about you start giving fucks about yourself? Like, you know, give a fuck about your health, give a fuck about your looks, give a fuck about what you like in your life, give a fuck about who you don't like in your life and who you like in your life. Give a fuck about that. And the moment you do it, you are gonna get fucks in return. And that is what we want right here. हमारे घर में अंदर रखना नहीं है. And because in this house we don't have a place for all of that trash. Please understand this. First of all, you are so hot for watching this video till the end, and like literally like so irresistible. I really hope your 2025 is the best year of your life and the other years beyond that. And yeah, please like, share and subscribe to this channel because you're a hot bitch and hot bitches support other hot bitches. Bye.